Number 30. The hexadecimal enumeration system is used in computer programming. It is a base 16 system and uses the symbols 0 through F. Convert the following to base 10. So the first one is 864 base 16. So I transferred that over here on this paper and kind of spelled it out. Base 16 is, so this one, this place value is 1, this place value is 16 to the first power, which equals 16, and this one is 16 squared, which is 256. So kind of like a breakdown of what it means. There are 8 of the 16 squareds in base 10, 6 of the 16 to the first, and then 4 ones. So in order to in order to convert this to base 10, we would have to take 8 times 256, 6 times 16, and 4 times 1 and add it up. So let's do that. So it would be 8 times 256 plus 6 times 16 plus 4, which I'll use my calculator. 8 times 256 plus 6 times 16 plus 4. And I got 2,148 base 10. And we don't have to write base 10 because that is the norm for what the base is. So the next one is a little different because we see that it has the characters C, D, E in it, which aren't usually numbers, but in base 16 they have to be. So I made a table or a little key over here. So as we saw in here, it goes from 0 to F. So it goes up till 9 obviously, but you can't write 10 because that's 2 different units. So A equals 10, B is 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. Those are just the ones I wrote down so we could write that or know that better. So I drew up the same thing. I wrote them all in their own spot to show this, to illustrate this better. So this is the 1 spot, this is the 16 to the first power, which is 16, 16 squared, which is 256, and 16 to the third, which is 4,096. Wow. Okay, so the same as last time to figure this out, we will do 2 times 4,096, which is 16 to the third, plus C, which is 12. So we'll do 12 times 256, plus D, which is 13. So 13 times 16, 16 to the first power, and then plus E. E is 14. So we will add this up, or multiply this out and add it up on the calculator. 2 times 4,096 plus 12 times 256 plus 13 times 16 plus 14. And the total is 11,486 in base 10.